Study at the University of Ljubljana Faculty of Public Administration. Our master's degree is European EAPAA accredited and a member of the EMPA network. Study enables you many international exchanges. In the master's study program Administration Public Sector Governance, you gain in-depth interdisciplinary knowledge from various areas within public administration and competencies for interesting jobs in public administration and private companies or institutions in the European Union. Lectures are conducted in the afternoon. Therefore, full-time studying is also possible for employees. Our study approaches are modern and provide excellent technical support. Studies are also conducted partially online. Studies enable involvement in various projects and the transfer of knowledge into practice. Above all, our students are not just numbers, as we provide them with a personal approach. Study for a master's degree in Administration Public Sector Governance at the University of Ljubljana Faculty of Public Administration.